is officially the off season for roller coasters and the on season for Halloween events. So we're here at Hershey Park. We're back. They invited us to come to a media event for the grand opening of their Hersheypark Halloween. We're gonna get the kids dressed up in their costumes. We're gonna go check out Chocolate World first, and then at 12 o'clock the park opens and we're gonna go in and ride some fun stuff, do some trick-or-treating, and see what other fun things they have. What do we got here? Cute. It's raining. We had to buy umbrellas because our umbrellas are in the car that we did not bring. So we had to buy umbrellas. Oh my gosh. Hopefully this stops though, because this is kind of miserable. Alright, we made it into the park. It's still raining. It's gonna be raining for a little while. So he's asleep?
He's asleep.
What?
Not kidding, he's asleep.
Oh. Fell asleep. Those things that come with camera bags that you're like, yeah, we're never gonna use this. What's wrong?
It's a walk-on, but you have to wait a few things, so I'd rather ride something else.
Hey, look, Treatville. I found it.
Trick or treating.
Tell me what you got. Oh, you got a chocolate bag. You gonna go fill it up? Okay, let's go fill it up.
I love the costume.
It makes it more spooky, it's just us walking through.
Did you get a lot of candy? I think there's still more.
Just keep going around in circles.
No. It's just us, and like we saw one other kid trick-or-treating. So apparently, if it's raining, it's a good day to come trick-or-treating because there's nobody else back here. Let's go get more candy. Do you have a lot of candy? Are you gonna share? You're not gonna share with me? What? You don't like spiders? You want to go swimming? Yeah? Well, we're all wet enough. We might as well go swimming.
The whale?
No, all the pool is closed. How much candy did you get? Let me see. Open it up. Is it good? Yeah. Where did he go? I lost her. We're seeking refuge from the rain. Hopefully, fingers crossed, it looks like the rain should stop and we should have a small break in the rain in about 20 minutes. So we're just holding tight, hoping for some dry so we can go ride a few things. How was Wildcat in the rain?
It was fun.
Fun?
I probably laughed the entire time. I couldn't see anything because your face was getting tilted.
Did it hurt?
Yeah, it's just not that bad, but it's just, I thought it was fun.
You're very wet.
Yeah.
For being a very crappy and cold and rainy day, there are still a lot of people in this park walking around. What are they all doing? Sir, you're not even holding on. It's not even holding on. Alright, Braylon and I are gonna go get on Wildcat. Derek has already ridden it twice in the rain. We were kind of waiting till the rain died down. We're gonna go ride. Are you excited? Two rides on Wildcat. What do you think?
It is quick.
It's quick? It's very fast. Was it fun? Our first ride was pretty tame. Second ride was pretty wild. We sat in the magic seat, row 10, both times. So, I don't know. But a little bit of rain, but still a lot of fun, right?
Mama.
What'd you find there, buddy?
I found a ladybug.
Roller coaster hair. How was it?
Fun.
So we got a little bit of a break in the rain, so we're gonna run around and ride a whole bunch of stuff before it starts raining again. You took your ladybug on a ride?
Uh-huh. Dad, did his ladybug stay on?
Yes, he's had the ladybug the whole time.
Say wee! Did you like Lightning Racer? Where'd we ride?
The front.
Front row. Did you take your ladybug on a ride? Is he okay?
Yeah.
Is he all right?
Mm-hmm.
Is he dizzy? He moves a little bit. Leander,
I don't know any.
how was that? Did you like that? You didn't like that.
I guess I
You guess you're right.
One more time.
How was that? Did you like it? You did like it?
Did I staple you?
It's raining. We just rode Reese's Cup Fusion. So much fun. The kids were like super nervous to ride it. Not exactly sure what it was, but they loved it. We had a blast. And now it's pouring down rain again. Part of the media event was they invited us to come to dinner at their buffet. And technically, according to all the information we got, it doesn't start until 5:30. Well, it's a little after 4. Pouring down rain, not gonna stop. So I think we're gonna go see if we can get dinner early.
Where we go?
Fingers crossed. What'd they say?
5:30.
5:30. So they said not opening till 5:30. So that means we have an hour and change to kill until dinner. I don't know if we're gonna make it. So Derek is braving Great Bear in the pouring down rain, and we're seeking refuge in the arcade. You rode Great Bear
Yes.
by yourself? There's nobody else on the train?
I was the only person on the train, and I got completely drenched. Well, maybe if I don't know, my undershirt, I guess it's a little dry. But I'm soaked.
How many points they have?
1,132.
We officially killed the time in the arcade and spent the money that we weren't intending to spend, but whatever. Whatever. Off to dinner. It's still pouring down rain. What did you win?
A head sock and a stuffing and this one.
Wow.
I love that.
You did good. Amanda. We survived dinner. We'll just call it that. We survived dinner. The food was so good. Tons of variety. Quality is amazing. Like really great. Presentation fantastic. The scare actors walking around kind of, pushed us over the edge. Well, for children. But if you're coming to Hershey for the scare stuff, that buffet is an amazing way to get some dinner. And if it's raining, get out of the rain. Wow, has today been the rainiest day ever.
My feet are now officially soaked.
What'd you think about dinner?
Not one.
You didn't like it?
Well, if you want to get some funky, there you go.
It's definitely foggy. I don't think they're pumping the entire park full of fog. Pretty sure this is just how it is in the weather. Yeah, I can't believe that he's still alive.
There's a flood in the park.
A flood in the park. It's kind of what it feels like. You can't. She has to stay here. Put her on the plant. Okay, put her on the plant. Put her on the leaf. Say bye. We did get on Wildcat multiple times, and that was wonderful. We got on Lightning Racer, rode a couple little flat rides, trick-or-treated, played like a ton of arcade games, and got some dinner. And now we're all literally soaked to bone, so we're gonna go get in the car and crank up the heat and home. Bye, Hershey! There are so many cars in the parking lot. It's like us and 10 other people.